Hey everybody, it's Dr. Randy again from Medi Tours Hungary, and today I'm standing outside our Medi Tours Hungary reference eye clinic here. And today I'm going to go in and I'm going to take you for a tour of the clinic and show you what it looks like. So let's go in now and check out the clinic. In the eye clinic, they do Femto LASIK vision correction surgery, they do implantable contact lenses, they do lens replacement surgery, they treat cataract, they treat glaucoma, they do basically everything here. If you remember not too long ago on our TMT or Talking Medical Tourism podcast, I had an interview with Tanya Costa, who is the head of clinical divisions here at the clinic, and we received a really nice special offer exclusively for our Medi Tours Hungary clients. And last but not least, if you like this video and you like everything that we're doing and we're putting out, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, go to our website www.meditourshungary.com, register yourself for a free online consultation, and make sure that you click the like buttons as well and tell us how much you like in our videos. Bye for now.